Hello everyone. Welcome to our English practice channel. Today, I want to share a short story about a farmer. It is a story about hard work and hope. Listen to me and repeat each sentence. This will help you speak English clearly. Once there was a man named David. David was a farmer in a small village. He was very poor, but he was very hard worker. He had a small piece of land. Every morning, David woke up before the sun. He went to his field and worked all day. He had a big dream. He wanted to change his life. One summer, the weather was very hot. It did not rain for a long time. The ground became dry and hard. While the other farmers were sad, they said, David, the crops will not grow. We will lose everything. David was worried too. But he said to himself, I will not give up. I will keep trying. Every day, David dug into the dry earth. He looked for water deep underground. It was very difficult work. His hands were tired and his back hurt. But he did not stop. Finally, one day he found a small stream of water. He was so happy. He gave water to his plants and they turned green again. The other villagers were surprised. They asked, David, how did you do it? David smiled and said, hard work and hope are the keys. If you want to change your life, you must keep trying. Never stop, even when things are difficult. When the harvest came, David had many vegetables. He sold them and earned good money. He was not poor anymore. He used his money to help his neighbors. He taught them how to work hard and reach for their dreams. What is the lesson today? Number 1. Life can be difficult. Number 2. Hard work is the way to success. Number 3. Never give up on your dreams. Thank you for watching. Now pause the video and subscribe our channel. Read this story out loud. Practice your pronunciation every day. You are doing great. See you next time.